What's the other thing that's just pretty much the most important of all of it? Seems very simple, but this is the most important thing.
Yeah, we talk about this a lot, but trying to avoid mistakes when you prepare and file your case, because again, sometimes when we have clients, they come to us, we can fix these mistakes, for example, by doing a new filing, right? And the new filing comes with the new priority date, so you lose on time. Sometimes we can do it without new filing, so it's really very, very case specific, but of course it's better just not do any mistakes. If you're preparing the petitions yourself, please make sure that you read the instructions carefully. Okay, make sure you put the right information, you follow everything that is in the instructions. So this is very, very important and part of the beating the visa bulletin process, so that you don't have to refile your case and get a new priority date and get
Yeah,
like again to the back of the line.
for sure.